Hello, I'm going to walk you through the steps of downloading our new Caro mobile app. If you have our older app, please uninstall it now. Once you've uninstalled the older app, you're going to select your Play Store, and it will be the same steps whether you have an Apple or Android phone. Next, you're going to search Caro Smart Financial Solutions. And you will see the app here where it says Caro FCU Mobile. On this screen, you will be able to install the app. I've already got it installed for the sake of this tutorial. Once installed, select Open. And it will bring you to our new app. Instead of inputting your previous information, you're going to select Register. Now, if you currently have scheduled transfers in online banking, you will want to use your same user information and select Forgot Password. For this tutorial, we're going to sign in together as a first-time user that does not have scheduled transfers. So select Register. And this will be the only time you need to input this information, but you will now put in your Social Security number. And next, you're going to input your member number. And lastly, your date of birth. And select Next Step. Check and make sure that we have the correct email address listed for you, because we will be verifying email as part of this process of enrollment. Next, you're going to type in your phone number. And select Next Step. Perfect. Now we are on step 3, which is logging in. And you can create whatever username you'd like. And if the username has already been used, you'll be prompted to make a different one. Here you will see your password strength, and in your next box you will confirm the password that you just created. Next will be your security phrase. You can make this whatever you'd like. And your security image. You've got quite a few options here to choose from. And this will pop up every time you're logging in, just to give you that, to rest assured that you've logged into the correct app and that there is no fraudulent activity. Select Next Step and verify that all the information is here and accurate. Perfect. Now let's select Confirm and Enroll. Okay, you'll be brought to our terms and conditions, and just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to scroll through quickly, but feel free to read those items and select I accept and continue. You'll be brought back to your login screen. From here, you should be receiving an email from digital banking at smartcaro.org that will allow you to verify your email address. You may or may not be prompted when you verify your email to download the app again. You can just exit out and skip that step since we already did that together at the beginning of this video. And once you have received confirmation that your email has been verified, you can go ahead and log in. That concludes our video, as I'm unable to log in to view account information with you. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to call us at 803-227-5555. We hope this brief tutorial was very helpful to you. Thank you.